PR in Canada. Stay till the end if you want to understand all the opportunities that you can get, because the third program is one where you can apply without knowing French. So hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Gursimran and you can call me Simi, and today we have a very good news. So if you already follow me on Instagram, I posted a few days ago that new PR rules or new PR programs are coming in Quebec. So if you do not follow me on Instagram, so yesterday on 3rd of the March, Quebec announced 3 new pilot programs which can help you get CSQ in Quebec and PR in Canada. So let's get into what are these new 3 programs that were launched yesterday and how long are they going to be staying in Quebec and how many people can benefit from it in the upcoming years. So let's get into it. And guys, I would like to say something here. Learning French is not a big deal. Learning French is not difficult. If it's saving many years and a lot of effort of your life to get PR, you should just rather do it. So let's start with the 3 programs. So the first one is Permanent Immigration Pilot Program for workers in food processing. So people who are already working in food processing, yay, you got a new opportunity. And people who are thinking to come in food processing or are right now in Quebec and want to join something related to food processing, yeah, kudos to you. So this program will come into effect on 24th of March 2021. So this news and everything that I'm going to talk to you about today is already on Quebec government's website. And I always share these kinds of news as soon as they are launched or are on the official website on my channel, and I make videos about them very quickly. So if you like this kind of content more about Canada, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get latest and good information as soon as possible. So let's get into the first one, which is the food processing. So it is going to start on 24th of March 2021. Whatever I'm telling you is already on the official website, as you can see on the screen that it is on Quebec government's website, immigration/quebec.gouv.qc.ca, which is a very official Quebec government immigration website, and will close on January 1, 2026. So basically this is coming for around 5 years, and 5 years is a very good time to complete all the criteria and get PR through this program. So next, what is the requirement that you need to have to get PR under this program? So first of all, as I already told you, all of these programs need proficiency in spoken French. So only spoken French, you need to know speaking French, and proficiency is basically having B2. So B2 in speaking French, which is that I already told you, very much important. Second is you have worked in Quebec. So you have work experience in Quebec in an eligible job and sector. You need to have work experience in Quebec, and you also need to have your valid job, and you need to have a job at the time of the submission in an eligible sector under this program. So this allows about 550 workers in food processing sector per year and their family members. So the important thing is that you can apply through this program and you can also apply for your family members, but only 550 people are going to be selected through this program per year. So we have 5 years and 550 per year. So obviously you can get into it if you file as soon as possible and if you meet the criteria. So more details and more information will be uploaded as soon they launch, so that is 24th of the March. But right now there are only three things that you need to have. You need to know French, you need to have worked in Quebec, and you need to have a valid offer. So that is everything you need for the food processing pilot program. Now let's get into the second one, which is Permanent Immigration Pilot Program for orderlies. So what is orderlies? So basically people who are studying nursing or are in the field of nursing, congratulations, this one is for you. So if you are in nursing, so as I didn't know what orderlies mean because I am not in that field, I searched about it, and what I found is that there are types of nurses who work under the doctors and check all the information of the patients. So basically there was also something mentioned about being the assistants to the nurse. So maybe not the person who does things, but to keep the records and everything. So if you are doing this kind of a job, you have a very good opportunity to get your CSQ as soon as possible. So obviously this also have 3 requirements. The first one is obviously you need to have French, that I have already mentioned 100 times. And then you have to have work experience as an orderly in Quebec, the same as the first one, and hold a job offer while submitting your application. Well, this one is also going to come in effect on March 31st, 2021 and will close on 1st January 2026. So for 5 years, if you do nursing, you come into nursing from India, you have 2 years program for nursing, and then after that you work for a year, you have a valid job offer and you learn French, you have a PR bro. That's it. And the same as the other one, this pilot program also allows 550 orderlies per year and for 5 years and their family members. So all this information is already on the government's website, which is already in the description, and you can go and check it out. So the third one and the most interesting one, which is for the people who are doing something in IT. So lucky for you guys who are in IT, I am not. So let's move on. So this one is the pilot program for workers in artificial intelligence, information technology and visual arts sector. So if you're in artificial intelligence, that is AI, information technologies, IT and visual effects sector, that is visual effects and digital graphic designing and stuff, so you guys are in this program. So first of all, this program allows you to settle in Quebec permanently if you are a foreign worker or a Quebec graduate in artificial intelligence. So this one is if you're a worker or a Quebec graduate in artificial intelligence, or you're a foreign worker in information technologies and visual effects. So if you have any of this, you are very much eligible for CSQ and congratulations. This pilot program is coming to effect on April 22nd, 2021, which is next month, and will close on 1 January 2026, which is also 5 years approximately. So if you meet the program conditions, you can submit application for permanent residency and obtain your CSQ. This one specifically says that if you are submitting an application under Francophone profile, so if you already have a job where you don't need French and you need only English, you may not need French. So this program gives you an advantage where you do not need to know French if you don't have a job where you need French. Hold or have an accepted job in Quebec's artificial intelligence, information technology and visual arts sector. So if you have a job which is in English, you do not need to know French and you do not need to show that you know French. So this program as well allows 550 people, but this one is 275 people who are graduated from Quebec. So if you have studied artificial intelligence, then you can apply just after your completion and you should have a job offer. And you do not need French if you have an English company who has given you a job offer. And other 275 people who are already working and have not studied in Quebec, who are working or have a job offer valid for Quebec. So this is the whole thing about all these three programs. So these are the three programs that Quebec launched on 3rd March. And I hope you got a lot of information from this. You can make good plans for your future. And as you have already seen that Quebec is encouraging residency in the province. So the people who are waiting for their visas for study permits, Quebec is going to make it easier for you guys probably this month. Don't worry, stay patient, and this is a very good opportunity for you guys to get your PR in Quebec faster than others. Because obviously if you come into these three things and you do these three kind of things and you have experience, you are going to get your CSQ way faster than other people who have to wait for a large group of workers who are not included in this one. Also, if you're worried about learning French, Quebec offers free French classes and they also pay you if you meet the criteria. Now, if you want to know more about this French system, you should subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because in the upcoming week I'm going to post about how you can learn French for free. I also have a video where you can do courses which are going to help you after coming to Quebec, or if you're already here in Canada, you can do these courses for free from big universities like Harvard, McGill, Berkeley, etc. And I have a video on my channel which you can check out in the description or in the card, and you can go to my channel. So hope you guys like this information, and if you like, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Hope you guys have a good time.